we got 7 horsepower more than last time, with less timing.
For some reason the log's not here. And I press record. Now I have a log.
I think it has not enough oil in the tank.
It has 12 liters. It's like full.
It's full. Because it's the oil pressure was.
We can if you turn it on, I check the needs be on to check the oil pressure, check the oil level. We can do that.
I'll check that first.
Yeah.
And it's not too much. There's not much fuel on it, right?
We can put fuel also.
No, I mean fuel on the oil.
Fuel in the oil,
Yeah.
brand new oil.
Brand new.
Brand new, absolutely.
But you saw the venting was.
Yeah, I saw.
Maybe the level is partially with fuel. You know what I mean? Maybe you need to warm up more. See if it actually evaporates any fuel. But what was the oil pressure? 65 psi is
in bar. That one is in bar. Like
3.9 bar.
Yes, on throttle. On throttle, I think it was 4.5, 5 bar.
Yeah,
on throttle.
now it's like 3.9. I don't know if that's too much of a difference. It doesn't sound. But the only thing is, I don't know if that was before. I thought it was cavitating.
Before, no.
It was flat oil pressure.
I think so.
Do you have a laptop with previous data logs?
Manny has our logs. I don't know if you will get
Is Manny here?
No, he went back.
No, I might have one.
Check if the oil pressure is flat, or if it has some sliding.
Do you want a cranker that I check the oil level?
Let's raise the fan temperature to let it go tonight. Put it at 85. 85. So it crawls to 90 and then goes back down. 85. Drop the mic with 1,000 just to warm up and stretch our legs.
Horsepower, so back to what it was.
That was up to 8,000. I'm gonna stay flat there already, so wasn't the RPM. Maybe it was a little less boost.
Yeah,
but we target 8, I think.
Before we had 10.
I think we were running with 10.
So I don't know if you mainly raised the boost at the race, or we ran on the dyno with 10. I don't know. I don't have the logs for the dyno.
I want to remember.
Well, we're missing 100 horsepower, and if the map is the same, we must have more boost. Otherwise, where are we missing 100 horsepower? We're not missing it on time. We're not missing it on the fuel pumps are still okay, like big time. These are like
let's take a
on
look.
a joke.
Let's take a look. Maybe to rate or
Yeah, let's look. Yeah. Well, I'm
it's
pretty
very close.
Yeah, it's very close, and it was super stupid smooth, and she just did it like really like that. Did 1,000. So I'm happy anyway. I just don't want to leave any horsepower on the on the way. Not because I need all of them, but to have that map. Then when it's big boys time, top 4, we just
all of them.
Bravo. Thank you. Love you. Wait. This we did with 0.5.
0.5 bar. Yes.
Bar.
You want bar or
It's
PSI?
like half a kilo.
PSI.
PSI, it was 8 pounds.
Okay. So 10 PSI. Let's try. Okay. Yeah. I think we did 11 something last time with 10 PSI.
Okay.
Because I have a rain map that probably is on 8 PSI. I'll double check with.
Yeah, you want more than that, right?
Send it.
Oh yeah, no, she's wild. But now I have an LSD, so she should be less nervous to drive. She should be more honest with me. And you took out, so we're in a more safe spot than the last seasons.
Yes.
So we have 10 horsepower more and we're in a safer spot.
The only thing you need to figure out is the air. Every time you go race, depending on the air, you need to put some more fuel, take some more time.
So in Utah, it chewed our ass, the electrical wastegate. I want to be on top of our game on that. Apart that I want to talk with Anderson and understand, like, okay, Atlanta, I know you guys are coming. I actually would like to do something with you guys at the booth and everything. But understand maybe if like some rounds you can be there, like the Utah round, which is a high elevation. She needs a lot of changes. She needs changes on real time, because of course you guys are there with the team viewer, but you know what it is being in the paddock or being on a team viewer. It's a little different, no?
Well, we're at 1,037 first row.
We got 7 horsepower more than last time, with less timing and more reach.
New entry. You have everyone home.
Everyone is it's like a soccer team with the 2 in.
Oh, honestly, just the fact of struggling with stupid things, just not misfiring or running.
Yes.
No, yeah.
Exactly. No. Anyway,
I think the horsepower is eventually irrelevant because you can make 100 more or less if you play with boost.
But you're more about like everything is lined up and working.
Yeah.
Yes. Mega.
Oil pressure.
How much oil you need to add more?
No more. No more now.
Still below minimum.
No more.
No cavitation? No.
I think it's about
fine. Fuel pressure, smooth.
What was the oil pressure during the pull on that
6.8 bar.
6.8 bar?
That's the same as before.
Say that.
Good. You happy now? Okay. Good.
Very. You guys really do magic every time. For real. How's it going, beautiful FuelTech people? The car is a complete different car. We're here at FuelTech in Ball Ground, and as always, they didn't skip a beat. We came here with a car that had a few big gremlins that took us all morning to get them lined up, and the magic was there. We improved the weight distribution of the car. We moved the fuel cell in a better spot. We moved the water radiator in a better spot. We have a new gearbox with a quick change and a brand new engine. That didn't disappoint at all. He stretched his legs at 1,037 horsepower and then just put a stamp at 1,150 horsepower, basically. I am very lucky to have FuelTech support, pushing me to the next step and allowing me to have a one-of-a-kind car. So excited, follow the journey. It's gonna be an amazing season, and hold on.